Kuxwayiswa abashayeli ukuthi ke bezilungiselele ngesiminyaminya esingahle sibe khona emgwaqeni enkabeni yedolobha iGoli kanye nase Midrand ngoLwesibili ngemuva kokuthi iJohannesburg Metropolitan Police Department I-I-Jmpd isiqinisekisile ukuthi kunamamashi amabili asegunyaziwe azoqhubeka osukwini lwakusasa. Lesi simemezelo ke silandela ukhoxiswa kwemashi ebizoba ngeyesithathu ebihlelwe yi-Labour and Civic Organisation osekwehlise isibalo saya kwamabili. I-I-Jmpd ithi ke abezomthetho bazobe beqaphe ngamehlo abomvu emzileni okugunyazwe ukuthi kumashwe kuyo ngenhloso yokulawula isiminyaminya emgwaqeni, ukuqapha ezokuphepha, ukuqinisekisa ukuthula kanye nokubhekana nezenzo eziphambene nomthetho ezingahle zibe khona. Abashayeli bayenxuswa ukuthi ke beyigweme imizila okuzobe kubhikishwa kuyo besebenzise eminye imigwaqo.
As the Johannesburg Metropolitan Police Department, we are issuing an urgent amendment to tomorrow's traffic outlook for Tuesday, the 30th of June 2026. Please be advised that the traffic disruptions originally anticipated and detailed in previous traffic alerts have changed. The Labour and Civic Organisation has officially forwarded a notice cancelling their planned approved march, and because of this late cancellation, the inner city gridlock will be lessened, and we are now only monitoring 2 legally approved marches moving through the Johannesburg CBD and in the Midrand areas concurrently tomorrow. The first procession organised by March and March will focus on the inner city safety, youth development and illegal immigration, and approximately 5,000 participants are expected to gather at Bezilungiselele Square in the Johannesburg inner city from 8:30 in the morning, starting their march at 10. They will move along Rahima Musa, Helen Joseph, Troy, Twist and Kotza streets before concluding at Constitutional Hill at 2 in the afternoon. And the second procession is the Maibuya Youth Activism Movement Labour March in Midrand, focusing on local youth employment. Around 800 participants will gather at 9 o'clock at Dale Road and Modderfontein Road at the open space. They will move down Dale Road, Pretoria Main Road, Allendale Road and Mustiff Road, concluding at the Santon Plant Hire offices with dispersal at 1 in the afternoon. Significant traffic disruptions and rolling road closures are expected between 7 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon along these routes. And NGOMHLAKA-30 alongside SAPS public order policing will be heavily deployed to manage traffic flow, monitor routes and maintain public safety.